Hi, I'm Samantha, KIP System K Specialist, and today we'll be discussing KIP Accounting and Cost Center. KIP Accounting and Cost Center delivers smart cost control, professional reporting, increased security, and verified savings. KIP Accounting Center consolidates control of user account data and printing rules for all copy, print, and scan activities for KIP systems. Create a smarter printing environment for effective management of company print system assets with users, projects, and departments. Enforce security and reduce costs by implementing device usage rules for each user with KIP role-based access control. Create roles to restrict user access to various features and functions in KIP devices and software, such as access to color, access to printing, or system setup. KIP Cost Center generates 7 different real-time professional reports. View user reports to see everyone's printing volumes. Retrieve recent project reports to verify print cost savings. Review coverage reports to confirm print coverage percentage by tiers. And create billable revenue with project and department reports. KIP is committed to keeping digital information safe and secure. Eliminate stacks of unclaimed print jobs and increase document security by holding jobs for user login at the touchscreen. Require user authentication to ensure only authorized personnel can access secure devices with optional card readers or by PIN access. KIP Accounting and Cost Center allows print costs to be managed and tracked for professional cost control. Team up KIP Accounting and Cost Center to view print cost information, verify savings, and create billable revenue per print, project, department, or user. Thank you for watching KIP Accounting and Cost Center Smart Cost Control. I'm Samantha, and this is KIP News.